In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create a professional company profile using Canva, step by step. To begin, type your search terms into the search field to quickly find relevant templates. Next, click into the search results to select a professional company profile template you like. After choosing a template, expand the available options by clicking See All. Then select the Business Plan tab to view layouts ideal for your profile. When you're ready, click the Present button and select Full Screen to preview your design. Then, apply all elements to your workspace for a cohesive look. Now, select the Company Profile section to begin editing. You can personalize the text fields by clicking and entering your company information. If you'd like to customize further, drag the company name to adjust its position or select a font style you prefer from the Font dropdown. Next, open the Upload section to import your company assets, such as a logo or photos, using the integrated apps for convenience. Preview your project to review the layout. Then use the Elements menu to add graphics and click Generate to create visuals that align with your brand. Refine your design by choosing color options that suit your brand, revealing more design elements by clicking See All, and then opening the editing menu for additional customization tools. To enhance your profile even more, expand the Options menu, select Photo Colors, and add your brand colors from the brand kit to maintain a consistent visual identity. Make final adjustments by resizing your canvas for an ideal fit, and select different cards like Company Overview or Thank You to ensure all essential sections are included. Finally, use the Present and Share buttons to preview or collaborate on your project. Once finished, publish your company profile for professional sharing. You now know how to create and publish a company profile in Canva.